Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina back with you with another portion of the most important financial events for today. Germany's GDP is likely to decline in the third quarter, which would mean a recession, as in the previous 3-month period the economy shrank as well. Analysts made this conclusion after studying data on industrial production for September. In a month, the manufacturing sector increased by 1.4% only. After a sharp decline in August, analysts had expected a jump of at least 2%. On an annual basis, industrial production fell by 0.1%. Industrial orders in September also showed a rather weak trend. The indicator gained only 0.8%. Trade data on Friday came out better than expected, with both exports and imports showing a growth. Trade data on Friday came out better than expected, with both exports and imports showing growth. As a result, a surplus rose to 18.5 billion euros. However, the high surplus is unlikely to save the nation from recession. The report failed to support the euro on the Forex market. The single currency fell steeply on Thursday after the press conference of Mario Draghi and may continue to slide, aiming at the parity with the US dollar in the long term. The main currency pair, the euro versus the US dollar, is now trading around the level of 1.24, and it is likely to keep on falling in the light of strong statistical data. It may test the mark of 1.2300 today, with the prospect of further decline to the lower border of the long-term trend, to the level of 1.2250-65. Exposure to the external market and huge trade surplus helped Germany become the largest economy in Europe and withstand the crisis of 2008, but 6 years later the country suddenly turned out to be at the verge of a new crisis. According to the experts, Germany needs to stimulate domestic demand and increase spending for steady economic growth. However, Berlin continues to stick to its guns. Disputes between the ECB and the Bundesbank intensify, while the Germans, along with the economic slowdown, are also losing their influence on the economic policy in the region. And this was the latest financial news for today. Stay tuned.